Hello everyone! In our last video, we learned about the light and shadow vanishing points, as well as basic exercises for decomposing light and shadow. Today, we will delve deeper into outdoor light and shadow. In painting, outdoor light and shadow usually refer to the outdoor light and shadow effects produced by factors such as sunlight, sky color, and surrounding environment. We usually express outdoor light and shadow by depicting elements such as light and dark contrast, shadows, and reflected light, which make the picture more realistic and three-dimensional, while also better expressing the atmosphere and emotions of the outdoor environment. Additionally, a light plane refers to the plane formed by the light reflected on the surface of an object, while a light line refers to the line or path that depicts these light planes. Next, I would like to share my painting thought process with you. The first stage. First, we need to draw the shadow of the pole. Before drawing the shadow, we need to simplify the railing into a simple goalpost line. If you are not familiar with this, you can check out my previous video. Make sure its top and bottom are on the same horizontal line, and then draw the projection. Regarding the length of the pole, we need to take the light vanishing point and the top of the pole as the basis, and then draw a line from the shadow vanishing point to the base of the pole connecting the pole stick as its extension. These two lines will have an intersection point. If the intersection point is outside of the picture, the shadow should be drawn to the bottom. Next, we need to determine the ending position of the shadow on the cube. This requires us to find the shadow vanishing direction on the horizontal plane and draw an extension line to the shadow vanishing point. By drawing a vertical line from the intersection point formed by the shadow vanishing point and the edge on the ground, we can find the intersection point at this height position. Then, we need to connect it to the shadow vanishing point, extend it in the opposite direction, and find the position where the shadow should be on this horizontal plane. Finally, by finding the intersection point formed by the extension line of the light vanishing point and the top of the pole and the diagonal line, we can determine the position of the pole on the higher plane. Above the first stage of outdoor lighting, the next stage is more exciting. Remember to follow me, like and subscribe.